If the power button on your Samsung has stopped working, don't rush to take your phone to a repair center. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to perform a full factory reset even without using the power button. We'll also cover what to do if your device has frozen and the usual method isn't available. But be careful. A factory reset will erase all data stored on your smartphone, so if possible, make a backup of your important files beforehand. Make sure to watch until the end, because one of these methods could be exactly what you need in your situation. So let's get started.